Let's move on to another stock that's been in focus for quite a while now. Bandhan Bank, first up for the Bandhan between the bank and Gruh Finance. Then the numbers came by as well. Now a lot of brokerages are also coming down with their perspective on the growth prospects of the company. Poonam is standing by to give us a lowdown on that. Poonam?
Oh yes, in fact, Bandhan Bank has gone ahead and seen a downgrade coming in from Macquarie. Macquarie, in fact, has downgraded stock to rupees 400 per share, and they're stating that there is further downside to the stock even from the current levels of 460. In fact, they're stating that they've gone ahead and allocated a 20% capital allocation discount to their target multiple, and which has resulted them to downgrade the stock. They're stating that although the Gruh Finance acquisition has been fairly expensive for Bandhan Bank, but and despite the strong fundamentals that the bank really has, bank would in fact have to go ahead and try out various other options to further cut their stake. Further cut the promoter stake in order to comply with the RBI norms, and that in fact could lead to more dilution for Bandhan Bank shareholders, and that is the reason they're expecting this stock to underperform despite this business having fairly strong fundamentals. They're also stating that the multiples of Bandhan Bank may likely come under pressure till promoter stake sale is behind us, and they're also stating that if you look at the earnings, they've gone ahead and cut some of the EPS estimates there. We also spoke to Mr. Chandrasekhar Ghosh from Bandhan Bank. He's top management of Bandhan Bank. Let's listen to what he had to say.
There is one large infrastructure account we have. There is 384.95 crores that is balance, and that we are 100% provisioned in this quarter. After that 100% provision of 385 crores on that, bank have been done the profit in this quarter 331 crores, which is year-on-year growth is in 10%. Gross NPA 1.3%. If we not count as a big exposure whatever we are declared as.
Okay, let me just go across to Dr. C.K. Narayan and get his perspective on the markets. Dr. Narayan, what is it that you would be recommending at this hour?
Well, the market is quite keeping in line with what it has been doing through the week. So we have to reach out into some more distant areas to find some stocks which are showing signs of life and clear intent to go up. So two stocks that I'm finding for play with this kind of precondition. First would be Kaplan Point. CAPPL is a symbol, and that has been undergoing a long, let's say, decline from August of 2017, and that's a pretty long time to be into a decline. But ever since the last, let's say, about 5 to 6 months, stock has been ranging, and today's price action is clearly indicative of a revival. In fact, the weekly candle itself is a strong one. So at 407,408, recommending a buy, short-term investment in Kaplan Point for an expected target at 440. A stop loss of 10 rupees can be maintained. Second stock showing similar robustness in price action with a small breakout attempt over recent swing highs would be Bombay Dyeing. We have seen Bombay Dyeing get completely trashed some time ago when it got caught in a selling spiral, but then it's managed to stem that off. Showed a kind of a double bottom pattern and now starting to look up. 118, 119 is where it has moved up to now, still looking quite low, but this is a low risk buy with a stop at 112. Can buy this for a target at 128, 130.
Okay, thanks Dr. Narayan for highlighting.